Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So you may have tried out the Scenic Walk project on our website, bootuppd.org, which goes something like this. So you have a sprite that is going to tell you about their community. So they just kind of like walk around to different environments, changes the backdrops, and they do something each time they go to this. So for example, they play some basketball for a little bit, they tell a joke, and then they go to the next location, which is a castle in their community. Okay, so this is cool and all. The sprites are interactive, or the sprites at least are animated, but the backdrop is not. So I want to show you a neat idea for something that you could add to a project like this. All right, so this particular project is called Parallax Creator, and it is by ReaperWolf8930. So when we press the green flag, it makes it so that when I move the mouse, the backdrop moves. It's kind of like I'm going like this and kind of like looking around. It makes it so it looks like it's 3D when you are doing this. So let's take a look inside to see how they do this particular neat little trick. So I'm going to move this so that way you can see the 3 different layers. So our first layer, which is this particular sprite, our second layer is the mountains right behind that, and then our last layer is the moon right here. Okay, so if we take a look at the code, it's basically the same code for each one of these. It's moving to the mouse X divided by a number and the mouse Y divided by a number. And so this number changes depending on how far away the object is supposed to be. So the stuff in the background is divided by a larger number than the stuff in the foreground, which is divided by a smaller number. So if you actually change these to different numbers, it'll change how much you can move to make it look like you're moving around really fast rather than just moving a little bit when you're going like this. Okay, so that's a pretty cool idea, and that is called Parallax. So if you want to on Scratch, you can search for that for Parallax and maybe share your own Parallax project in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.